In building your lower of cost or market worksheet, you're going to need to make use of, or probably make use of, an if, min, and or max function. Let's briefly take a look at each of those. The if function has if a particular condition is evaluated, and if it's true, the first field is returned, otherwise it's false. Let's look at the form of that. Equals if. Our logical test in this case, let's say if our replacement cost is greater than our net realizable value, well, in this case, we would want to go with the net realizable value, which would be the 99. Otherwise, we're going to want to go with the replacement cost or some other value. Not necessarily the replacement cost, but either the replacement cost or some other value. So there we have it. If the replacement cost exceeds the ceiling, we would want to go with the net realizable value. If the replacement cost was less than the ceiling, we would want to go with either the replacement cost or perhaps the floor. But that's the format of our if function. A min function takes the minimum of a series of values, equals min, and then we can just highlight a range of values. And in this case, we can see the minimum of these numbers would be the 80. You can also separate the values by commas. Let's illustrate that with the max function. Equals max, parenthesis, the first number, comma, second number, comma, third number, comma, fourth number. And in this case, of course, it would take the 100 because it's the largest of those values. In building this worksheet, you're going to want to consider some combination probably of if and min statements or if and max statements.